I'm not afraid. No, but I want to remind you what is going on. When you have a bad child, education is difficult to change a very, very bad child. What River State has forgotten for years, somebody has gone to reintroduce it. Simply because you think you can use that to win governorship election of this state. It's not possible. All of us know in River State, we have stayed peacefully with the Igbos. We have lived with them. 2 days ago, Amaechi went and brought something that would destroy the state. Of course, he knows. The Igbos knows he's telling them lies. How can anybody bring about the issue of abandoned property again in this state now? Something that everybody has forgotten. We are living in peace, in harmony with our brothers and sisters. Because he wants to install
Symphony on YouTube.
Please
to subscribe and like our
video. We two of them were prosecuting for taking $15 million from our account. And we are prosecuting them. They stole our money. And you say you cannot. Now you now call some few Igbo people. I don't even know who will even listen to you, that kind of thing. That you will return back what people have forgotten. And you see how smart he is. He said he would return it. You were governor for 8 years. Not so. He was governor for what? Did he do anything about it? Look at, no wonder he didn't pass well in university. No wonder. You were governor for 8 years. You lost the Igbos as you claim. You never talked about this. Now you are bringing somebody, said the person would do it. You didn't do it. You are too smart, right? Why didn't you do it yourself? You are now bringing somebody who cannot speak even Kalabari. You cannot even dance any Kalabari music. They say from Kalabari. You say, Amaechi, you are half smart, you are not smart. You say you love the Igbos, but you supported Atiku. You supported Atiku for president, maybe so. You refused to support Obi. You didn't know the Igbos then, you are supposed to support them. Look at. No wonder when he graduated from, after 20 years of reading law, he graduated from Base University. He went to the president. Mr. President, see my project I wrote. I acknowledge you there. Kai. My brother, project. I go acknowledge the president for my project. I cannot go. Mr. President, see the project. Kai. No, I don't know when I pass this. I don't understand how people complex. Is that the kind of person? You were minister for how many years? What did you do for the Igbos? What did you do for the Igbos? He supported, when he was running for president, he said power should come to the south. No, so. When he lost, he doesn't believe in that again. Power should go to the north.
So checking out Symphony on
so that when the north finish, he will beg, let them give him.
And like our videos for
no way. It's not everybody that started the revolution will benefit from it. I did it, I fought it, it doesn't matter. Whether I become president or not, it's immaterial. What is material that power has come to the south? It must not be me. It must not be me. It must not be me. It's a matter of principle. If he frees it from the south, he goes to the north. I won't run again because the north, the south will free for 8 years. He goes to the north. I won't. Because that principle of Yendeba is what brings peace. It's what brings unity. People should not be selfish in their life. Today, you say one thing here. The other day, you said the other thing. You call the Igbos, whom you refuse to support. You are not telling them, oh, that Wike stop scholarship because Igbos were benefiting. I mean, I've never seen how wicked a young boy can be. How would I? When we came on board, we look at the exchange rate. You send people who are reading philosophy, accountancy, English, to go to overseas, to spend our hard-earned currency. I said, no, come here, come back. Come here. But specialized courses, I said, we can afford that. But not general courses, philosophy, religion, English, law, you send them there. Look at the exchange rate today, $700 to $1. How can anybody survive it? How can anybody survive it? I had Senator Magnus. He was talking to the Christian Association of American. People are talking that their own children are in private schools. Ask Magnus, which of the public schools his own children attended? Ask him. You know, I've been quiet. I didn't want to talk about him, but he was pushing me out. He wanted me to come and talk. And I thank God they extended this election. I will talk now. You preach what you cannot practice. Tell the public which schools your children went to. You have been a public officer since 1999.
SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our video.
Mention one public school their children went to. Mention the university they are now. You just come. You say, oh, when you come, you will still do pilgrimage. What is that? What's pilgrimage? I want to challenge any public officer today who has supported the Christendom than me. I want to challenge any politician here now, not before, now, currently, that supported the Christian than me, all over this country. When the Anglican University was to be built, this state gave 800 million naira. Catholic University, this state gave 500 million naira. Let me know any diocese, any church that this government did not support. Whether Pentecostal, whether Anglican, whether Catholic, name it or Baptist, name it anywhere. We have supported it. I owe no apologies. I was the only governor who declared that this state is a Christian state. I want nobody an apology. I got no society today. I will say it. Nobody. So when we are talking about betrayal of who is that? Who is that politician that's a Christian that will come and look me and look into my eyes and tell me that rubbish? Nobody can talk to me that way. They know. I never campaigned against Obi. I never did that. It's not like would he do me anything? What didn't go to me? He can't do me anything. But I felt it has no need. Since we are talking about Southern presidency, I never. Within us in our integrity group, we agreed that we must make sure power comes to the South. And in any state where you have control, if Labour Party comes first, APC must come second. If APC comes first, Labour must come second. And we did it. I'm proud to say it. I'm proud to say it. Look at these Rivers people in Abuja. Shame. They now enter in the night and leave 5 a.m. But look at us. Happily commissioning projects. Happily flagging up projects.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please
They were plotting
subscribe and like
how they will kill themselves, how they will send themselves to jail. How far now? How far? Now, I will still send all of them to jail very soon. So anywhere you are, be happy. Be proud of yourself, you're a Rivers man or woman. We stood firm and will continue to stand firm. It doesn't matter what anybody will say. I will never say Rivers State for anything. Never. So it's not to talk whatever you want to say. Come home and address your people. Tell them what you've done for them. If a National Assembly, assembly well. If a governor, govern well. I have governed well. And I'm going home happily. I'm finishing well. My children are high. My people are happy. I did not disappoint you. I promise and I fulfill it. So, no equating man that will not be happy, except there's a question mark. Except you have a question mark. No equating man, wherever you are today, even our leaders who died, wherever they are, if dead men can talk, they would have reason to come and talk. It's only Christ that died and rose. So you should not stay there.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.